The Nissan Rogue's infotainment system integrates navigation, audio, and connectivity features. Models from 2017-2021 can experience freezes and glitches due to software issues. As of October 2025, over-the-air updates have improved stability, particularly for 2021 and newer models. Resets are crucial for resolving software-related problems. There are two main types: a reboot, which restarts the system without losing data and is ideal for minor glitches, and a factory reset, which restores to original settings but erases personal data and is used for more severe issues. Always back up your data before performing a factory reset. Keep in mind that resets won't fix hardware problems, which may require a visit to a Nissan dealer. To perform a hard reboot for screen freezes, press and hold the infotainment screen's power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. For a soft reset, navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and select Restart. A factory reset can be done through Settings, System, Factory Reset. It requires a PIN or Nissan account login. For newer models, enter diagnostic mode first by holding volume up and down while powering on. If resets don't resolve the issue, use Nissan's TechMate app for diagnostics or check for software updates via USB. Disconnecting the car's 12-volt battery for 5 to 10 minutes is an alternative manual factory reset for severe cases. Remember, OTA updates are increasingly common, so keep your system updated for the best performance. If problems persist after these steps, consult a Nissan service center.